everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This afternoon I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my Dia&co box. Probably will not do a try on for this. I've had this box here for a few days, and I've already contacted the company just to let them know how I felt about it. I was pretty disappointed again this month, so I'm likely going to be sending the whole box back. Quality, where some of the tags were like, you know, kind of bent up. Some of them had, one of them had a piece of tape on it. I just kind of felt like these products had been sitting for a while, had made the rounds of different customers, and they were, you know, things that I had said that I didn't want and then got back again, or sizes that I mentioned I needed, you know, if one was tight to go up. But I'll show you what I got here, and if you think something differently, just let me know. First off, I will show you here is, I'm going to just move this tag off so you can see the front, because it's kind of covering part of the shirt here. Is a Jessica Simpson top. It's long, it's real thin, not soft. It's pretty plain except for this little mesh kind of cut out with the crisscrossing lace there. You would definitely have to wear something underneath this because it is pretty sheer. You can actually can quite see the top that I'm wearing right through it. And I do not like low cut things. This actually falls pretty low on me. Kind of right down to the middle of my bust there. So I would need, you know, I would need something to cover a good portion of that panel. I just don't feel like this is very good quality. And definitely don't feel that it's worth the price. And I'll go over the prices here as I get to the bottom of the box. Alright, next up, and this is probably the one thing in the box that is the redeeming factor. These are a pair of like a Ponte knit pant from Dex. You'll see on the tag here, it's been kind of written on. I'm not sure what the 130 is. There's kind of tape holding the tag together. See on the end, it's been kind of put back together. It was peeling here, and then they taped it back together. So I can just only imagine that this has been through the wear, you know, but otherwise, like I said, this is the one redeeming item that is in the box. Now I did see the price earlier. I think it's like $59 or something. I have a pair of pants that is pretty similar to this without the stripe down the seam that I got at like Kohl's for probably $20. And then I also have another pair that is like this, that is more just a casual with the pockets that probably came from Walmart. The one from Kohl's looks just pretty much like this. So with that price, and just these are pretty comfy, cozy pants. So, but they are nice quality. Dex is a pretty good quality name. And so if I did keep anything, it would be these pants. All right. Next up is by Mary Sky, and it is a sweater. It's nice colors. Really, really staticky. And then it has the zipper detail on the side. Where did it go? Right there on the side. I have put in my profile and written many, many times that at my age, sweaters that pull over are pretty much a no-go for me. I get way too hot and I end up having to take them off. So what's the use of having a sweater that as soon as you're inside you have to take it off? And then the staticness of this sweater, I just would never wear it because it's not comfortable. It is also short. So on me, it comes barely to the waistband of my jeans. And my jeans are more of a higher rise. And last month I received a sweater with zipper down the side, and I said I didn't like that style. And then I got the same style, the same pullover that I said I didn't like the month before, again this month. So that's a no-go and a problem. Problem that I have. So this sweater is just it's a little tight on me. It's got a pretty detail on the sleeve. And I don't mind the color at all. I'm not a big fan of that open back. It's been like -15, -20 here, so I would have to wear a shirt under a shirt. And then again, I'd be dealing with a pullover sweater with a shirt underneath and getting really hot. This also is not very long, and then it has the mesh detail at the bottom. So just not a fan of the overall design of that. It's not something that I would wear. And then finally, I've got a pair of Juno Rose, sorry, I can't talk, jeans. They came to me unbuttoned and halfway zipped, which to me tells me that somebody tried them on right before me, returned them like that, and they were never corrected in the factory. These are really small. I mean, I couldn't even get my leg into these. And I've told them many, many times, even on a stylist call, that if the jeans don't have the stretch, which these do not, that I need to have the size up. I didn't get them. Disappointing. And then again, take a look at this tag. That also tells me that these have seen their better days. I'll look them up online and see if maybe, you know, they're on sale. Maybe I could try a size up just to see. But yeah, these have been through the ringer. This tag as well. It's on the back. Is triply wound up, having seen its better days. So these will go back unless there is a size up. Maybe I could try. They seem like in their good days they were a nice pair of jeans, but they are very, very thin. There's just not a lot of quality to these jeans. They just don't seem really well made. So they're very, very thin, and where I live, I wouldn't be able to wear them in the wintertime and feel warm at all. So, you see, I'm just kind of bummed. A note from my stylist. Hi, Sandy. You're back at it again with another Dia box. I read your notes, so I know that comfy and cozy but stylish is the goal. Black leggings are such a staple, and you can go with any sweater or button down you have. I know you run warm. I know you run warm. So I'm hoping this zipper sweater is a better alternative. I got a zipper sweater last month. I returned it. Pair it with the dark wash straight jeans for a day at work. I suggest cuffing the bottoms as the length may be a bit long. I couldn't even get them that far. The gray sweater has a slit, so if you feel cautious, wear a cami under or throw the cardigan from your last box over it. I know you run warm. So sweater plus a cardigan. Nope. The lightweight black knit looks basic at first, but I love the V-neck lace detailing. This can go with any leggings or jeans you may already own. If you ever need an exchange in size, feel free to reach out. I hope you love everything, and I can't wait to read your feedback. Stephanie. So, I just feel like this was a real miss. It's a disappointing miss for me because I had one really wonderful bag after Stephanie started with me, or one box. The last box, I only kept one item. You know, more for, it was Christmas time, but I also only liked the one item. In this box, I will likely be sending the whole thing back. I did post to Facebook how I felt about things. They did tell me to watch my inbox, that they would be sending me a message within 2 to 3 hours. It has been 2 days and I haven't gotten a message. So we'll see what's going on there. So that's it for Dia&co. I keep saying I'm going to keep trying it because I think the overall, just the message for this company is good. What they're trying to do is good. I'm trying to be good. And I didn't do an initial post of this box or do the ratings right away because I didn't want to sound, you know, too bad, too harsh. So, but that's it from this box. And I won't be trying it on because there was nothing really that I felt complimented me. But if anyone, you know, wants to see anything a little bit closer up, I will try to provide some pictures. All right, thanks so much. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like. Would like to get these numbers up so I have some more people stopping by. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.